late for school.
Wait, Mom, remember I don't have school. We're in quarantine.
Oh yeah. Look at your hair.
Look at yours.
Hi, my name is Selina McManus, Artistic Educator for Matrix. I work here in the San Francisco Bay Area and I have 2 kids and we are in the house just like you. If you're like me, you deal with a lot of tears in the morning getting ready for school with this long hair. So we're gonna give it some TLC today, and it's actually some practices that you can do at home as well. This product right here, thank you, is called Hydrosource. It's a Hydro Pack from Biolage. From Matrix. So we are going to do a Hydrosource pack treatment on this lovely little lady. This is my daughter Miliane and she's gonna get some TLC, so join us. So a lot of the times when we do treatments, we kind of just gather all of our hair and just smush it all over. What you really want to do is break down section by section and really give each section a lot of love. So I'm gonna take some of the treatment from the Hydrosource pack. I'm gonna rub it through my hands and then run it through her hair. I don't really need it right on the scalp, but I want to make sure her hair is being treated from at least, you know, 2 to 3 inches off the scalp all the way to her ends. So I'm just going to take section by section. I'm just going to drop down again. So you can have someone else put this on your hair. You can do it yourself. But we just want to make sure we're really breaking down section by section. And that way, each section really gets hydrated. The Hydrosource pack is really wonderful. It's for dry hair, and my daughter tends to have a little bit of texture when her hair dries, so it definitely could use it. So I just applied the Hydrosource treatment pack from 2 inches off her scalp to her very ends. I took a Denman brush, or you can use a wide tooth comb to comb the product all the way through to make sure that it was evenly saturated and moved in the hair. We're gonna leave this on for about 10 minutes. She's gonna hang out. We'll see if she can stay still. But after that, we're gonna rinse it and then I'll show you a cool style on her. So we just rinsed out the Hydrosource deep treatment pack from Biolage on Miliane's hair. I'm going to use this all-in-one coconut infusion multi-benefit spray on her now, and then I'm gonna detangle her. So now I'm going to use this heat sealing primer from Biolage R.A.W. It's a protector on the hair. It's going to help give any kind of heat protection because we're actually going to do a blowout on her. Her hair can be a little bit hard to manage. It tangles pretty easily, but usually when she has a blowout, it can last her a few days and really just keep the tangles away, which is what I want right now. I'm just going to emulsify it in my hands, run it from about mid-length down, get everything nice and protected before her blowout. So I'm going to use my blow dryer to take out some of the moisture on the hair before I section it to do a blowout. What you want to do is really section the hair. I've sectioned her hair in a mohawk section right here. When you're looking to remove a lot of the moisture, you want to make sure you're really gentle with the hair. You don't want to disrupt the cuticle too much. That way you can have a really shiny blowout. If you want a little bit of volume, you can totally flip your head over and kind of make sure your roots are really lifted. But always remember, if you're looking for a sleek blowout, which is what we're looking for today, I want to make sure her cuticle is all going into one direction. So I'm going to start on her blowout and explain it a little bit more as I go. A really great artistic director from Matrix named Dan Chichai, hi Dan, taught me how to properly blow dry the hair, and what you really want to do is think of each section as A, B, and C. So you can't move on to B before A is dry. It's really important to take your time. If you're doing this yourself, make sure you have the right angles and the proper placements of your arms before you're doing it. Just think of everything going forward, going up, going towards your face for volume and for sleekness. If you're using a paddle brush, that's cool. If you want to flat iron or curl after, that can be done as well. So I'm going to go in with the blow dryer, being mindful not to burn her scalp as well, and just do A, B, and C section. So you can see I'm moving into section B now. That section A is dry, but I won't move on to the end, which is section C, until B is dry. So I can take my hand and kind of help it set in a nice state and cool in that way too. My model is completely sleeping now, so I'm gonna make the best of it. So we're all done with the blowout, but I'm just gonna use a little bit of curl defining styling butter on her baby hairs. She's got a little bit of flyaways, and I'm just gonna hold them down a little bit. What you think, May?
I can't even see it.
So I'm just expanding the braid, making it look really cute. And then we're gonna put some cool clips in it. And we'll show you guys what that looks like at the end. Thanks for watching our deep treatment, blowout, and cute little braid for your kids at home video. Please check out Hair.com. Thank you, Hair.com, for having me. My name's Selina McManus, Artistic Educator for Matrix, and I hope everyone stays safe. We are doing well here in the Bay Area, and good luck with everything afterwards. Hairdressers, we will get through this. You can find me on Instagram at _beautynative. Thank you. Bye.